Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to delete a link in WhatsApp. First, navigate to the specific chat where the link was sent. Once you've located the message containing the link you wish to remove, simply press and hold on that particular message. This action will select the message, and you'll notice a few options appear at the top of your screen, preparing you for the next crucial step in the deletion process. After selecting the message, look for the trash can icon, usually located at the top of your screen, and tap it. You will then be presented with two primary options. You can choose Delete for Everyone to remove the link from all participants' chats, or select Delete for Me if you only wish to clear it from your own conversation view. Make your choice carefully based on your needs. It's important to remember that there's a time limit for deleting messages for everyone. You typically have about 1 hour after sending the message to use the Delete for Everyone option. Beyond this 1-hour window, your only choice will be Delete for Me. When a message is successfully deleted for everyone, recipients will see a notification stating, "This message was deleted." Keep in mind that WhatsApp does not allow you to directly edit a link once it has been sent. If you've sent an incorrect link, your best course of action is to delete the original message using the steps we just discussed, and then send a brand new message with the correct link. Always take a moment to double-check your links before hitting send to prevent any future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.